Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to DeadPewPie Show. I'm your host, DeadPewPie. Yeah, and this is my sidekick, Deadpool. Deadpool's hi.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, check out a new toy we got for y'all today. Yeah, it's RC Mini Miposaur. It's some type of dinosaur. Oh, it's robotic remote control dinosaur. Hold on, kids. We're gonna open the toy and show you how to play with it. Deadpool, open the toy.
Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, check it out.
Oh, cool, man. Look, oh, wow, it's a dinosaur robot with remote control. Yeah. Okay, get close up.
Ah, there. Looks. There. Yeah, the mouth doesn't open. Huh? The body's cool. Look, the tail wiggles. Wiggle. Ew, the dinosaur farted. Bad robot.
No, he didn't, dummy. You did. Okay. Let's turn it on.
Okay, let's turn it on. Look, there it goes.
Yeah.
Turn. Oh, it got stuck. There it got stuck again.
Make some more room, dummy. It needs more room to run around. Hold on, kids.
Oh, cool. Come this way, dinosaur. Yeah, this is a good one.
Hey, watch my money test, dummy.
Oh, watch his money.
Hey.
Let's go that way. Oh, you have to point at his head. Oh, okay.
Oh, you got that, kids. You gotta hold the remote control high and point at his head. The receiver's on his head, okay? Deadpool, keep playing.
What?
Hey, watch it, man.
It spins. And go forward. Spins. Go forward. Spins. Go forward. That's the only two things it can do.
Oh, man. That's it. Just spins and goes forward. Jeez. I'll keep playing.
Yeah, keep going, dinosaur. Yeah. Come on, dinosaur robot. Watch his money.
Ah, man. You hit me. Watch it, man. I'm gonna kick your butt.
Okay, sorry. Go for it. Run, Diney. Run. Run, dinosaur, run. Yeah.
Hey! What's my money test, Tommy? Okay. Okay.
Hey, Ronnie, ride him.
Whoa, I don't know, man.
Hey, there you go. And turn.
Hey!
Yeah, go for a ride. Yeah, turn. Yeah, there you go, Mimi.
Oh, it's kind of fun. Hey, it's kind of fun.
Go for a ride, Mimi. Yay.
Hey, it's fun.
Spin.
Hey.
Go forward. Spin.
Hey, what's my money test? Yay.
Spin.
Ah, yeah, fell off.
Okay, try to stay on, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Hey, I fell off again.
Okay, let's spin you around.
Whee! Oh, I fell off. Oh, man, that was dizzy. Whee! Ah! Stop it, man. Stop it. That's enough. Okay. That's all we have for today's show, folks. Yeah. What do you think of the story?
Well, I think it's a good toy, yeah, but it only does two things. It only goes forward and spin. That's it.
Yeah, only forward spin.
So, I think it's a good toy.
Yeah, it's a good toy. Electronic robot, it works. It's limited in movement, but it's a good toy. Yeah, that's all we have for today's show, folks. Please subscribe and like this video and leave a comment. Okay, Deadpool, say bye.
Bye bye. I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.